Hey guys, it's me again. Today I will unboxing the latest smartphone from Xiaomi, which is the Redmi Note 11 series. For today, I will only unbox the Redmi Note 11S and Redmi Note 11. So let's get started! Both devices come with the same graphite grey and twilight blue color variants. Of course, there are additional color to make each device more unique. The Redmi Note 11S get a pearl white color, while the Redmi Note 11 has a star blue variant. Oh yeah, both devices come with the same dimension and weight. So can you tell which is the Redmi Note 11S and Redmi Note 11? As for the tech spec, both phones sport a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery, 33W fast charging, dual speaker, 3.5mm audio jack port, and side-mounted fingerprint scanner. They also run on MIUI and feature AI face unlock. Besides that, the Redmi Note 11S feature a MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, up to 8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. As for the Redmi Note 11, the device comes with a Snapdragon 860 chipset, up to 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. For cameras, the Redmi Note 11S comes with a 16MP selfie snapper and a 108MP quad rear camera. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 11 features a 30MP selfie snapper and a 50MP main camera. As for the other lenses, both devices sport the same lenses, which are 8MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP macro lens, and 2MP depth sensor. The price for the phone haven't been announced when we recorded this video, but I will add the price tag in the description below later. So which variant of device would you go for, the Redmi Note 11S or the Redmi Note 11? Let us know what you think about this smartphone in the comment section below. Hit the like button, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and goodbye.